Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's weekend, Saturday the 29th 2022. We have here only one regular, well, it's not one but two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium, and this one is a Samurai Sudoku. Yes, Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. And we have no good news for you today, because in today's newspaper on Saturday, yes, it's weekend, Saturday, September the 24th, 2022. In this newspaper, let me show you, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Come. Zoom. Yeah. Let me show you. I thought in the Saturday newspaper the publisher will publish some puzzles, but well, we have only two regular puzzles. So what I will do is the rest of the puzzles in the edition of yesterday, we have three puzzles left. I will show you later on. Three puzzles left, and that I will do today. And tomorrow's Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So the edition of not yesterday but the day before yesterday, I will solve that too. Here, this one is from Friday. Three puzzles, and the day before yesterday, Thursday. Oh no, the day before was Thursday, and Thursday we have also no additional, so I've solved the edition of Wednesday. So what I do on Sunday, the edition of Tuesday. Yes, also three puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. Well, this week not a lot of puzzles, but first we will solve this medium Sudoku, and this will be number, I believe, number 5224. Yeah, 5224. Position the camera first. Yeah. 5224. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, where's my pencil? Oh, yeah. 26 printed digits. Yeah. Daily Sudoku practice continues. Alright, so let's get started. 3 minutes already passed. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then the 8 in the third column, the 8 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. Then 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 6, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in the third row, so no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. All right. Okay, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. Now. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 are missing. I see here 1 and a 2. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Here can be 5 because we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can also not be a 5 because we have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait or mark them later. I always mark inside the big square, otherwise it will be a mess. You will make errors. Yeah. Okay. Then. How about the following number? 8, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, okay. 1, 8, 7, 4, 1. Still thinking. 3, 5. Okay. Need an 8. Right. And the 2. Need a 2 also. Let me think. 5. We have here 5. Okay. Remember, this is a 5, 3. Well. 7. And yeah, we have a pair. In the first column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. But we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in that box. So the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well. I hate to mark those 2 boxes outside the box told you a minute ago, but need to know what are these 3 missing numbers then. One of the missing numbers in these 4 missing boxes, yes. We have here 4 empty boxes. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. And 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 4. 4. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I think rather the 5 should be there, because in the last row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the 3 missing numbers is a 5. Well, here I cannot place a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. Here we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there, 5 in this row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column. The last column for number 1. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. No. We have a 5 here. Apologies. Let me count again. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. Then. Let me see. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1 and number 1. By the way, for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Almost forget to mention that. Alright. Then, the following, number 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, so the 2 should be there. 2, okay. How about the 3? No, the 3 I cannot. The 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, middle row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be here. I've marked this with 3 no 7. So this box is a 3, and that box in the first column should be a 7. 7 in the first row, 7. Oh wait, do we have all the 3s? Yeah, and all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 3, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 missing. Oh, wait. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. This is number 5, number 7. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 6, number 4. So 3 numbers are left. The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Okay, here we have a 2. So 5 and a 6 are left. We have a 5 in the second row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2, 5, 6. We have a 5 here. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. Oh, we have a 6 in this third column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2, 5, 6. We have a 5 here. So these 2 should be 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the third column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 26 printed digits is always a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah, it's a 2 stars puzzle, people, and I enjoyed this one. Yes, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, because daily Sudoku practice continues. I will continue with the, not the Tuesday, but the Friday edition. Yeah, the Friday edition, September the 23rd. We have 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars. And the 1 star tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.